my god, it stocks again. Oh my god. Oh my. No, not again. Hey, if you're completely frustrated with your laptop dying while you're trying to work on your website, your business, do your homework, or heaven forbid, game, then you know the replacement cost is often prohibitive for a high-performance notebook, let alone a mainstream notebook with a minimal performance. To get high performance for today's needs usually costs you between $1,800 to $2,000. That's why I want to talk to you about the world's first mainstream high-performance notebook, the AORUS 5. It comes to you with Intel's 10th gen core. But what does that really mean? So you're retiring your laptop, which means you're investing in a new piece of equipment. And that means it's got to have all the features you want. It's got to be lightweight. It's got to have a great display. You need to have enough ports to put in dual or triple monitors. Let's face it, all of us are on the go all the time. We're working in coffee shops. We're running to meetings. We're flying to events. We're going to conventions. That means we need laptops that are lightweight. We don't need broken shoulders from our backpacks, right guys? Plus, you want something that's a little more sleek. If you're not a serious gamer, you probably don't want the nerdy game machine, right? I mean, we have those too, but for most of us who are doing business or homework, we want a powerful machine that's sleek, and the aesthetics like lend to a business environment. You don't want to have all the lights flashing when you're in a meeting, right? That's why we have the AORUS 5. Hey, so if you're like me and you're building a lot of websites, doing a lot of video, you know you go to a gaming computer for the performance so that you can render and do things in a timely manner. I mean, you're not doing a huge amount of videography, but you are needing a gaming machine because of the power. On my old machine, it would overheat, it would slow down, it'd take forever to render, I'd be afraid that the keyboard was gonna burn up, but not so with the AORUS 5. So with this, it's got an amazing cooling system. So in order to run the very powerful CPU, the 10th gen Intel i7 core, you have to have a cooling system that allows it to function at peak performance. So this has 2 fans, a dual fan system with 4 pipes. Okay, let's face it, gamers got a game, and we got a game on the go, and that's why we need something that's super portable and lightweight, and it has all the performance you need. So remember, it's got the Intel 10th gen i7 core for that need for speed. Your processing is super fast on this baby. Then we have this amazing 144 Hertz display. That means no tearing, guys, because it's paired with NVIDIA's RTX 1660 Ti. Seriously? That is an amazing pairing. Whether you're playing AAA games and you need that little bit of boost, or you're doing your business and homework and gaming on the side, this is the type of machine that you need. Don't forget that it has these wonderful external ports that help you put up the dual monitors, external hard drives that you need to work on those bigger files and multiple projects. So all in all, it's a pretty sweet machine.